Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Installer's Assistant. My name's Marty and today we're working on a 2022 Kia Cerato. We're going to remove the front door card to try and get access to the speaker and the tweeter for upgrading and whatever else you need behind it. Okay, we're going to need one Phillips screwdriver, one pry tool and one angled pick tool. Okay, in the door handle there is one little tiny plastic cover which we just need to pry up with our pick tool, and below that is one Phillips screw. Okay, with our pry tool we're going to remove the window sill, which has got our tweeter in it. A little bit of pressure on the top and it'll just pop off. Very simple. Held in place by one white clip. There's our tweeter. Okay, and the rest just pops off. Now if it's cold, these clips are really solid, so I find that in a lot of cases it's easier to start up here and just give it a bit of a tug. There we go. Very cold. And then the door should lift up a little bit. And it's loose. In behind here, both our door lock rails locked onto a mechanism. Basically push this and it pops out. And then what's left is the window control switch. Again, push clip. On some cars you have to take this part out. On this car you do not. But that gives you full access to the door. Enjoy.